Good morning, beautiful people. Beautiful people. You guys are beautiful. You guys are amazing. I first want to say, well, thank you, Father, for waking me up this morning. But I just wanted to give a shout out to y'all. Thank you so much for your beautiful love on both of my channels. I got 600 subscribers on Simply Black Living. I am super, I'm grateful. I will say that. I'm very grateful that you guys y'all like my channel. Thank you so much. But there's a side note. There is a video up right now, so go check it out. It's 10 minutes long. Well, no, I think it's almost 12 minutes long. You'll enjoy it. I'm not gonna tell you what it's about, but it is a cook with me, so go check out that channel. But guys, yes, thank you. And the other channel, we are almost nearly at 3,000 subscribers. I really appreciate that. So guys, right now, if you not have subscribed to my channel, I know it's a simple channel. It's a relaxing channel. It is a natural channel. This is a real life channel, both of them. Take the time right now to subscribe. Share the channel. Thumbs this video up. Do whatever you have to do. But yeah, thank you very so much, guys. Your comments don't go unseen. Your love doesn't go unseen or felt. I appreciate it all. I appreciate everything. I appreciate life just for what it is. And that's what I try to share on my channel. Nobody's trying to live big, live out of their means, and things like that. It's real life. This is what you get. So guys, y'all know how she do it. Click my heels, these heels. But anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys that. And then I want to show y'all something in the other room real quick. Hold on a second. Y'all, look at my newborn babies. Look how shiny. Newborn baby. She's newborn to me. And look, we got some more newborn babies coming through. 1, 2, 3. And then we have this beautiful lush looking green. How green that is when it comes out. We're still waiting on this one here. She's coming. I'm going to repot her, I think, next week. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to come on here, show you guys the new babies, and thank you all. And y'all, look at that baby right there. She's beautiful. So guys, without further ado, I don't know what this video today is going to be about. I just wanted to make a video. So I will see you guys later. I have to get my coat on. I have the Lady Blue is warming up, and it is probably, I think they say it's supposed to get to 60 today. I'm not sure, but whatever's in this video, I will share with you guys. I'll see you all soon. Yeah. All right, y'all. Lady Blue is dirty. She got to get a bath today. I got to take the time out to give her a bath. But today, guys, this is our tea time. So I didn't forget about y'all. We're going to get your cup out. Get your cup, your tea, your coffee. She's still smoking. Y'all see her? She's still piping hot. But, y'all, my tea time today is the best is yet to come. Keep on trusting. Keep on believing. And keep on doing your part. Trust me, the best is yet to come. If you have been diligent, faithful in all that you do, all your good works, it doesn't go unnoticed. The best is yet to come. Even if you don't see it, you have to start manifesting it. Say it every day. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. Today is going to be a good day. Today is going to be a great day. Whether you believe it or not, you have to manifest what it is that you want in your life, okay, in order for it to come to you. So I don't know who this message is for. It's always for me. So I'm not telling y'all something that I'm not doing for myself. Let's take a sip. It's still kind of chilly outside. Yeah, guys, it's not just for me. It's for everybody. Whoever's tuning in right now, this message is for you. I don't care how dark the days look, how the times may seem right now in life in general. The best is yet to come, okay? It is. We just got to do, I think I'm too close to the steering. We just got to do, excuse me. We just have to do what is right and stand firm. We do. Us as human beings, in order for this world to get better, y'all, we have to get better. We have to turn back to the right principles. That is what's going on in this world. So, like I said, I don't know. I gotta go. I don't know who this message is for. I just hope that it helps somebody, that it uplifts somebody, that somebody will find some wherewithal, some peace. Oh, I don't want my tea to spill. Uh-oh, darn it. All right, y'all, sorry. But yeah, do what you gotta do. But trust and believe, the best is yet to come. I will see you guys in a little while. Look at this frog, right? Look at this frog, y'all. Did he move? No, there you go, right there.
His eyes just poking out here.
See the frog, y'all? Ooh. And where's that other one I just seen? Hold on, y'all. It's another one. Just trying to show y'all. Oh, he done went down in the water. There's a lot of frogs through here, y'all. So pretty. What'd you say?
Let's see what time it is. He should be now. If he just missed his card, he'll probably go up to here. If he don't come before, we got 1 minute, 1 more minute.
Hey y'all, I am finally back home. It's like, let me see, it might be like 4:30, I think, maybe about 4:30ish or whatever. But guys, it's so nice out here. Now I did say, sorry for picking my nose, but I did say today was going to be, it's like, I'm going to say maybe 60. It's a little breeze, but it feels so good. It feels so good. I am going to wash Lady Blue today by hand. For the most part, I normally wash her by hand. But yeah, I'm not about to give nobody no more of my money for no car wash. And then too, I'm learning that them car washes, the couple of times that I was going, it kind of like put like lines or something in the paint. So just gonna wash it by hand. I got a lot of nice little rags here I can use for that, and some little things I could use for the inside. And thank God for my vacuum, y'all. Thank God for that vacuum, because I can vacuum my own car. I cannot vacuum my own car. But yeah, it's really beautiful. Let me know in the comments where y'all from. What's the weather? And are y'all having up and down weather? You probably are, but I'm just making the best out of it, because as long as the sun is shining, the trees are blooming, it's beautiful. I know y'all can hear the birds chirping. It's a beautiful thing. I did water the herbs, the green beans and stuff. Y'all, they're just coming up more. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna turn the camera around in a minute and show y'all. The impatiens are coming up still. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. And tomorrow, yes, I am gonna be going to the bench tomorrow, because I'm looking for, I don't know, y'all, I might buy the bench that goes to this, if they have it for a decent price, the bench that goes with these 2 chairs. And that way I don't worry about a chair. I can just do the bench and it's longer. But the only thing, I don't think this will fit on there, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But I am gonna go. Hopefully a friend of mine can go with me. I didn't really want to go by myself, but if it means that I have to go by myself, I will. But let me just show y'all. Really, really good. I kept this thing. I kept that right here for now, but we'll see. But guys, look at that. Oh, look at those green beans coming up. Look at that. And then I did water, if you can see. I'm probably gonna water it some more after I do the what's the name? But it's just so peaceful. This rock here, the stone, is gonna go like right here once I can figure it out, because it did break or something. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to, you know what? Let me see something. If I was thinking about turning this on the other side, on the white side. But if I do that, it's gonna show the price or whatever. But maybe I'll just keep it here for now. Just keep it here for now. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to wash Lady Blue while I can, and old school way. So I'll throw in a clip of that in a minute. So clean. Look at her. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's clean. That's old school clean, y'all. Old school clean. Guys, this baby right here, this baby ain't no joke. Y'all need to get with the program. Even though I paid $10 for it, she good. She off the chain. I'm very appreciative of this thing right here. My whole car is like literally cleaned out. Like I went to a what do you call it? Like the detail place. Like seriously, y'all see her behind me? Y'all see Lady Blue? I know. All right, guys, I'm back. Yeah, she's all changed up. Got on her Gucci slides to go with her fake Gucci shirt. No, seriously, I wanted to show y'all something. I don't think I ever showed you guys. I think I showed you one side of the front of the flower garden. I'm going to show you the second half of the flower garden. Got a couple of more beautiful pieces to go, but I'm going to just show y'all real quick what it looked like. I got to put a couple of more rocks here. But that is what it looks like so far. Isn't that pretty? So I think we need, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a couple more few stones. But that is so pretty, isn't it? All right, you guys, I didn't want to leave y'all hanging, but your girl had to go. I got to go take care of some business. Sorry, y'all, if y'all sliding everywhere. It's just so good, so good. But yeah, I had to leave so I can go take care of some stuff, and I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Got to go handle some grown lady business. You know what I mean? Got to go to the post office before they close and do some other little things. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog today. I know it wasn't much of it's just me, y'all. This is just me. This is just what you get. I'm just saying. Okay? But I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a lovely, lovely day. Remember, y'all thought I forgot, right? Love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Y'all, it feels so good outside. Like I said, it's in the 60s, but it feels really good. So guys, I will see you all tomorrow. Peace and love. Peace and love.